In a pan, add some oil and allow to heat up. Add your pre-cooked shredded beef. Fry on medium heat for 5 minutes. Stir intermittently to avoid burning. Add some diced onion. Go in with some diced green Scotch bonnet pepper. Add some diced spring onion. Add some seasoning cubes. Go in with a pinch of salt and stir. Remove from fire. In a bowl, add 264 grams flour. Add 1 teaspoon sugar and a pinch of salt. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric and mix. Add 150 milliliters hot water and 100 milliliters lukewarm water. Mix thoroughly. Once a dough forms, add 1 teaspoon vegetable oil. Knead for 40 seconds. Cover and allow to sit for 5 minutes. Spread flour on the work surface to avoid sticking. Place the dough on the surface and knead for 30 seconds. Divide the dough and roll into small balls. Take one of the balls and cover the rest. Flatten the dough using your rolling pin. Make sure the dough is thin. Place the dough on your palm. Add the beef and vegetable filling and pinch it close. Put a little oil in a pan and shallow fry. Fry both sides until golden brown. Remove from fire and enjoy.